Okay, so let's try one. We'll try a G major arpeggio shape, which is going to be according to this over here. Hey, let's do Mixolydian. Let's do Mixolydian root right here. 5, 7, 2. Alright, we've got a G-shaped 5 here. 5, 7, 2. So I've taken the capo off so I can go lower than the E nut. So it's just like that. 5, 7, 2. Now we're back over here. Here's our G shape. If I take that G shape from the 3rd string, so a G is going to go, here's the starting string, bass string, 1st string, 2nd string. If I take this G shape to the 1st string, the 2nd string rather, it'd be a C. Never mind the colors on this. They're not coded to mean anything. They're just the way I grabbed them. That's the way they were. So we take the G shape and we go to the 3rd string. We're going C on the 2nd string. It's going to be an E on the 3rd string. So here's our regular G shape. Okay, I'm going to find a G on the 3rd string and just play it. But now I have to warp that 3rd one up, so it's, now that's all fine and dandy, but what arpeggio is that? I can't see it by inspection. If I did a full G pentatonic, if I did a full G pentatonic on the 3rd string, then I know I can see it by inspection. That was an E shape. Because E is the only one that has 2 shorties up after the, you know, the top part of an S3L, middle and top, warped up. So you have this square, this stack of 3 short, that's basically like on the bottom of a D, which would be like a D-shaped G would be. That little square there is going to start here and then get warped up. So it's going to look different. Alright, let's see if we can demonstrate that. So our G over here, alright, we started it from the 3rd string right there, and there's the shape we got. The magic chart says that was an E. So remember, we started a G root shape down here. We started it from the 3rd string. We're going to do the same thing, a root shape. 5, 7, 2 is root Mixolydian. There's our major, and our minor gets warped over. We can take that, and it's saying that's an E shape. Lo and behold, within this box right here, what does it say about E? What does it say about the 5th? E. So that is an E-shaped arpeggio there. Now look again, 2, 5, 7. That is a 2nd inversion Mixolydian triad. So that's E-shaped too. So it works. The magic chart works. It works for arpeggios. The way to enjoy the magic chart and not have to memorize it. Of course, you can memorize it, that G the second G from the second string goes a fourth up from G to C, but then the next string C only goes a third up. C always goes to E in the magic charts, you know, and in other things that are happening for some reason. So it's like tuning your guitar to an A tuned guitar. You get A, D, G, C, E, D. So in the magic chart, and in other ways, but I can't remember exactly what would be appropriate to say at this point. C goes to E. In the oh yeah, the other way, just for completeness, was C going to E over here in the tripentatonic shape assignments. There's another reason there. There's another similarity. You know, if it looks good, it is good. Alright. Now, I just put a keyboard here for the fun of it. It doesn't have anything to do with what's going on here. The colors are kind of matched to it, so E is there, E, G is red. Over here, let's finish up here before we get to the other chart here. These are all P4 tuning. CAGE Bound Arpeggios. It's all right here. Look at the 5. We started on 5, we wanted root, right? But we want it CAGE bound now. So we're going to go 5, 7 to 2 on the same string. That sets us up to go back up the stairway. So we go up here, we go around. You know how stairs go up and then they go around and they go up again? This is our little hallway walk around, then back up. So we can play that from that box. Let's see what that turns out to be. We got 5 and 7. So that would be in this particular box here. The A box. Okay, A was the root. Look where the root is. That's where your fingered A shaped root is. Right here. And then the E-shaped G is right there. And the D shape would be the 4th. What were we doing? Oh yeah, CAGE Bound Arpeggio. So now we don't want to travel. We don't want to travel across. We don't want to go up here into the next cage and just, you know, do one of these easy arpeggios. Well, we do want to do them, but. We want to stay in the same cage for whatever reason. We're going to go up the stairway and then around the stairwell and back up another flight of stairs here. That's what we have over here. Except for one thing. These guys were warped over. In that particular case. But remember, this is whoops, I messed it up. Alright, there it is. So we started here, we went around the staircase and back up again to that. That is what we had with this being the highest string. Sorry to mess up.